Hey guys, Happy New Year! It is Tyiece back again, first video of 2018. So today I am showing my nighttime hair routine, and at the last minute I just decided to put everything in there of my nighttime routine. Just felt inspired to do it. So the first thing I do is take off my makeup, and I'm using my e.l.f. cleansing wipes. These are so gentle for my sensitive skin. So yeah, after a long day I always remove my makeup first with these wipes, since I don't like have a makeup cleansing wash, as you would like to call it. So I'm just using one wipe just to get all the makeup off, and I go in circular motions. I make sure I get the perimeter of my hairline with my fingers so that I can get like deep in there. Now it's time to tackle my hair. So I have a lot of new growth now, and this is the only hairstyle that looks good when I have a lot of new growth. This is how I blend it, doing a braid out. So right now, well, I'm wearing a braid out this week, and the first thing I do is like finger separate the hair. At the end of the day, my hair is like usually tangled from being out in a braid out. And then I'm just misting my hair with some water. It's mainly water, but it have a little bit of moisturizer. And I use my wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, because this is how my braid out comes out good. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling to get the comb through my hair because it's tangled from being out all day. And then I just re-braid that section, and I only do 2 braids. This is what works for my hair. This is the only technique I find that works, that makes a decent braid out. And of course, after I'm finished braiding it, I secure the ends with a perm rod so that the ends can have a nice curl to it and it's nice and tuck under. And I repeat this same process on the other side, and then I go to the front of my hair. So now it's time to tackle the front. So I always take the scrunchie out. I don't really like sleeping with hair bands in my hair. And I repeat the same thing. I moisturize it with some water just to dampen it so that my curls can set. My hair actually still has like setting lotion from when I put it on after I washed my hair like 5 days ago. So that's why I wet it, so it can like reactivate the setting lotion. So instead of braiding the front, I just plait it, and I roll the ends with a flexi rod, and that is it for the night when I'm wearing a braid out. What are your like go-to hairstyles when you're stretching your relaxer? This is the only thing I can think of. I need to really think of like more things to do with my hair. I just like my new growth to blend in with my straight ends, so that's why I do this. And this is a lot of work. I don't know how girls with natural hair do this like every single night. Do you guys actually do it every single night? Because I can't. Like, I am so over it. I just want to get to bed, cover my hair with a bonnet, and go to bed. So yeah. So sleeping with earrings is a big no-no for me. Like, it is just so uncomfortable, and I love my sleep. I like to be comfortable. Maybe if they were real, it would be more comfortable, but I just find them uncomfortable. So now I just cover my head with a plastic cap, and I love to use the disposable plastic caps because I can throw them away after a month and switch them out, because when I was using like the original like shower caps, they would like grow mold and then they would smell really bad even after I washed them. So I love taking a shower with Dove, and I wash my face with the Johnson's baby wash. That is what works for me. So now I'm finished with my shower, and it's time to take care of my mouth. And I'm just brushing my teeth, and then I moisturize my face so that my skin isn't as tight and dry while I'm sleeping. I forgot where I learned this, but it was somewhere I learned that using your ring fingers are actually healthier to use under your eye area, because those areas are like really sensitive and you don't like want to age them really fast. So I'm just putting on some deodorant, of course, and I love my Dove. I'm such a Dove girl. I just love Dove. It's so moisturizing. And now I'm using my favorite lotion. Oh my goodness, guys, like this is my favorite lotion ever. I just discovered it like 2 months ago that I actually love the body creams from Bath and Body Works, and I don't know what is happening. It's just showing out right now. It didn't want to come out. Obviously, I am in need of a new one, but these body creams are just so moisturizing for my dry skin. Like, oh my goodness, like they are my favorite, guys. Like the best lotion I have ever used. They're just nice and thick, creamy, and they smell like super good. So I always put on some lip balm for bed, and I'm using my Burt's Bees honey because my lips get really dry sleeping like in the AC. I wake up sometimes and my lips are like cracked, and I'm like, what the hell, I have to search for it. So putting it on before bed really helps me. And now to end my nighttime routine, the last section of my hair routine is to, of course, cover with a satin bonnet, and I'm off to bed. This is my nighttime hair / skincare routine that I do when I have somewhere to go. So yeah, sweet dreams, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.